Hello guys, here is I have Moto G5G 2023 and you can see this phone is cracked and I'm gonna show you how to replace this screen. And also this frame is broken, is bent, so I'm gonna replace with the frame screen. First we're gonna remove this back cover. You have to apply some heat on top of that. With this knife we're gonna lift it up slowly. It's come out easily, it's not that too hard to remove it, and this glue is not hard inside. Just apply some heat on top of that and it's come out easily. Apply some heat on surround the camera side. And it's come out easily now. Here we remove this back cover. Now we're gonna remove this all screw. All are star screw. All screw are same. First we're gonna remove this top side screw. And then we're gonna remove the bottom side screw. There is two kind screen on the market. One is with the frame on, one is without the frame on. But I'm gonna show you with the frame on how to replace this screen. And we remove all the screw. Now we're gonna remove this SIM card tray first. And now we're gonna remove this back housing. We just unlock all clip, and also you can see this housing also crack here. Unlock all clip. Just slowly lifting up all side. This side you have to be careful because this has a volume button and power button flex, so you have to be careful with that side. And we want to lift it up all the way. There is fingerprint ribbon. Just lift it up a little bit and remove this connection with the finger. We remove this back housing. Now we're gonna remove this battery connection. And there is another flex, look like it's antenna, and there is screen connection. Now we're gonna remove this antenna connection on side. There is two antenna connection, one is white, one is black. We're gonna remove this. Now we're gonna separate the motherboard with this knife. We're gonna lift it up slowly. It's come out easily. We separate the motherboard. Now we're gonna remove this speaker. This is the air speaker. First we're gonna remove on connection side and then remove this speaker. Apply some alcohol. You can also use heat. You can apply some heat and remove it. Also you can use it alcohol. Both way you can remove it. Now you're gonna remove this power button and volume flex. Slowly you're gonna lift it up. We don't want to rush, and it's come out easily. So we separate the power button, volume button flex, and bottom side we're gonna remove this loudspeaker. Separate the loudspeaker. There is another connection antenna. and this is the charging port connection. Now you're gonna remove the charging port. There is one screw, we have to remove it. And now you're gonna remove the charging port with this knife. We're gonna lift it up slowly. We can separate also the charging port. We have to remove this antenna connection, but we're gonna keep it like that. Now we're gonna remove this battery. We're gonna apply some alcohol on side. This alcohol name is 99% alcohol. First we're gonna use blade. Do not use sharp blade, just remove, press little bit. Then we're gonna use plastic tools. Remove little bit. Now we're gonna use plastic tools so it's not gonna be damage the battery inside. Yes, it's come out and nothing damaged. Now we're gonna make it straight the battery. Let's slide it down. Yeah, battery is now straight. There's nothing damaged. This looks good. And there is antenna line. We're gonna remove it now. There is one plastic on top of that. We're gonna keep it that. And now we're gonna remove this antenna connection, antenna plugs. And there is vibration, we have to remove it. Apply some alcohol and remove this connection and separate the vibration. So we're gonna apply some heat on top of that from far, not closely. Alcohol will be dry. And there is the old screen, we remove everything from there. Now we're gonna install back everything on new screen, and here is the new screen. I'm ordered from Mobile Centrics, and you can also find on eBay. First we're gonna put a back air speaker. We don't have to put the stack glue on connection side because previous glue was good. And remove this plastic top of the camera. And now we're gonna put back this power button and volume button plugs. We're gonna press it down on top side. Previous glue is good, that's why we don't have to put extra glue. If his previous glue is not good, you have to put it separate glue on it under that, so it's gonna be sticky. Yeah, it's nicely installed it. Previous glue is good. Now you're gonna install the motherboard. First we're gonna do it on top side. Then we're gonna press it both side. Left and right side we're gonna press it. And it's nicely installed. And bottom side we're gonna put back the charging port and speaker. First we're gonna do it vibration. And then we're gonna install the charging port. And just press it and install back white screw. And then connect the charging port. Now we're gonna organize the antenna connection. There is two antenna. We're gonna connect this antenna to antenna connection. On top of that there is plastic. We're gonna put it back so it's not gonna come out. And there is another plug, so you have to put it back. You can see arrow sign will be top side, motherboard side, and other side on bottom side. There is the loudspeaker. We're gonna put it back. Now we're gonna connect this screen connection. First we remove this all blue plastic. Under that there is glue. Now we're gonna connect this screen connection. And with this plastic tool, I'm gonna slide it down. So it's gonna be easy to attach on the frame. And you can see the arrow sign on motherboard side. I'm gonna connect this flex. And now you're gonna install back this battery and press it down. Connect this battery and organize this plastic. We are done here. Now you're gonna connect this back housing and this fingerprint flex. Connect fingerprint flex. Now you're gonna put it back this back housing. Press it volume button and power button. Make sure it's clicking and press it all side. You can see no bend now. Frame is even. Before we put it back all screw, we're gonna turn on the phone. Make sure touches everything work properly. And put it back SIM card. And now we're gonna turn on phone. Yes, it's turning on. Swipe up. Yeah, you can see touch is working. You put back all password. I don't know the passwords. We cannot check other thing. Go to the emergency and everything work fine. Now you can put it back all screw. This all the screw are same. All are still screw. We are done with the screw on top side. Now we're gonna do on bottom side. All are same screw. Now you're gonna put a back cover. That is previous glue. You have to clean it. Also you can dry with this hot gun and it's melted the previous glue. Now you're gonna put it back glue all side and we're gonna keep it 2 minutes. After that we're gonna put it back in back cover. Just press it down. So it's take time to dry. We're gonna clip it on 2-3 hours like that. We're gonna clip it on 2-3 hours. After that we're gonna remove it. So after 3 hours we're gonna remove all clip and cleaning all side. The glue come out and we're gonna clean it with alcohol. Yeah, that's all right now. Let me know how you guys like it and thank you for watching.